In this video we discuss matrices in matrix math, and this is our presentation. To represent objects in 3D world, we use Cartesian coordinates, which is of course described by coordinates in three axes x, y, and z. And we normally consider an observer or position of the camera relative to the world. And of course the observer will be looking this way to see objects that would be found somewhere behind the screen. And if this is a positive z-axis direction, then objects that fall into the viewport range will become visible if they're positioned in a negative z area. Our viewport, the viewing area or window or screen, is placed in the xy plane. And typically middle of the screen, coordinates 0, 0 on xy axis, would be right in the middle of our screen. So this would be our screen, and its center will have coordinates 0, 0 in xy plane. Objects located in the positive z direction typically not visible to the observer. Only objects behind the screen, in other words in negative z direction, will become visible. There are actually two versions of Cartesian coordinates. One is called right-hand side and the left-hand side. So the right-hand side is actually the one that we're showing here if this direction of the z-axis is positive. So in case if the positive direction of z-axis pointing to the camera, this is the right-hand side system of coordinates. Otherwise, if this is the negative direction of the z-axis, then this type of Cartesian coordinates would be referred to as left-hand side. So the dimensions along the axis for the reasons of orientation are referred to as horizontal, vertical, and depth for the z.